Levi's cooking show. Today we have a special guest, Ian. Okay, today we're going to make a chocolate mum cake. First you add your wet ingredients. First you add your oil. First you add your milk. And and then you add your flour.
Oh, flour too.
And then you add this.
And I did.
Then you add your cocoa powder. Here, do this one.
Okay.
Pour it in here. Pour it in here. Baking powder.
Yay!
And then whisk it up.
I set up. I do, Levi. Chocolate.
You add the chocolate chips to the cup?
Yeah.
It smells like chocolate in there. Are there any lumps? Nope, no more lumps. Now we add a pinch of salt.
Salt.
And then you'll bowl all the, and then you get some of the chocolate and plop, plop, plop. And then my brother just ate one. And, oh. Hey, there's still one left. That's crazy. I get two. Now we add this.
Oh, yeah.
Now you get in the microwave for 1 minute. We waited 1 minute and it's so tasty.
Hey, hot.
And it's so tasty, I even can't believe my nose.
Oh, no.
Be caught, but be careful.
My food.
Enjoy!